Thank you, Mr. Gardner. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ahmad Shahidov. I represent Azerbaijan Institute for Democracy and Human Rights. And before starting my speech, I would like to congratulate the Azerbaijani and Armenian delegations here, because last week both sides agreed on all the points in the peace talks, and the signing of the peace agreement is now very close. This is a historic chance to end years of tension in the region, and I also call on member states to support this process in their speech today. Today's topic is about the media and its role in conflicts and humanitarian crises. The media is not just a source of information, but also a strong tool for showing the truth and promoting peace. In recent years, the wars in the Middle East, Ukraine, Yemen, and Karabakh have shown us that media is very important. In conflict areas, the media can sometimes be used to control people's minds, but at other times, it's the key to exposing the truth. In the Middle East, the scale of information wars has grown. During the Israel-Palestine conflict, the events are sometimes shown in a one-sided way, which makes things worse. In such cases, the media should keep things fair, point out human rights violations, and highlight efforts for peace. The war in Ukraine has shown how dangerous information manipulation can be. Russia not only used military forces, but also changed the truth by spreading lies, which confuses societies. Free and independent media is the main tool here, because only strong journalism can fight the distortion of the truth. Therefore, the international community must focus more on strengthening free media. Russia's downing of an Azerbaijani civilian aircraft belonging to Azerbaijani Airlines in December of the previous year, and the statements made by Russian media regarding this incident are a clear example of how hybrid warfare is applied through media outlets. Russian media outlets, by spreading false claims about the crash being caused by technical failure, have attempted to alter the political nature of the incident, manipulate public opinion, and exert diplomatic pressure to official Baku. Despite this, Russia has yet to officially apologize to Azerbaijani people and government for this incident. Instead, Russian officials continue to provide confusing and misleading information, hiding the real facts about the event. Such actions demonstrate how the information component of hybrid warfare is actively used, aiming to manipulate international relations. During the Karabakh war, we also saw widespread disinformation. Now, the ongoing peace talks between Azerbaijan and Armenia give us a new chance. At this stage, the media of both countries has great responsibility as well. It's time to move away from war language and call for peace. The media should not allow hate speech and should work to rebuild trust between societies. At the same time, the media's approach to fighting terrorism is very important as well. I want to express my support for the United States counter-terrorism efforts. There must also be an information war against this global problem, because terrorists sometimes use social media and other platforms to spread their propaganda. The media should be the main force in stopping the messages and fighting lies. In this context, I would like to make a few important recommendations to the participating states. Stronger international legal system should be created to ensure the safety of journalists working in conflict zones. Efforts should be made to increase media literacy to fight against false information. Independent media organizations should be supported to cover events in conflict and crisis areas fairly. Cooperation among the media of countries working on peace should be strengthened, and information sharing should increase. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, especially for making recommendations. I'll go at the back on the left, lady.